Saturday, first day for inside the new moon for June. We dey glad for talk for una say happy new moon, and we dey glad to for meet up unam for inside the Tori House for this side, so for Equinox Tori House. PG News debate na the first one for inside moon for June. Country people them plenty glad for say we don meet up with unam today inside Tori for this afternoon. Country people them we go enter for talk some of the strong Tori that will happen for inside the week, but sabi say some other Tori that they will go talk and today we maybe una no be don see am palava this fire wey catch for that side for Sonara. Country people them so confusion dey on top according to big book wey e comot for Sonara just now. Big man for Sonara, he don talk say work for that place e go stop until they try for check sense on top to happen and they fix the thing that way they don't spoil for that side. We go talk that palava with image this afternoon. Now so too we go talk this palava waka for Cameroon Renaissance movement. According to last story we enter we here before we enter for here, they tell we at least 200 people them they don't catch them for here when they already for palava this waka. Inside the 200 people them we get Vice President Mamadou Mokhtar and other people there they already catch them. They dey from Gata. For inside Douala here, we hear say they don't catch 3 people them. Honorable Jean-Michel Ninchewe dey na for SDF2 they be deny say make e no come for house this early morning time. Last story we enter we hear they dey try for tell we say they don't left honorable wey e be get for go bury cousin for that side for Bafang. Whether e go last go that one we go surely talk am for this afternoon. We go take una to talk this palava for GCE wey they dey write am. Country people them sabi say since Monday picking they dey write GCE and they go finish for number 13 day. Then we get case for people then too for baccalaureate where them say they go finish their exam now this Saturday. We go talk other small thing them if time is left we. So na palava for Shidon. Stay look as we say we knock Tori for this side. We get Frundi as well be announced on yesterday. It day for we corner this afternoon. Frundi, good afternoon for you.
Afternoon, Ambassador.
And how the week done day for you?
Well, the week is rough. It's rough in the sense of which things that happen. You see, what happened yesterday for night for Limba, for Victoria. You see the march will take place today for the whole nation. So I think the weekend is rough.
All right, another person will get them for we not the first time, but maybe go surely be a member for the house more time. Now Oga Tamfu, how you day?
Day fine, Ambassador.
Good afternoon for you.
Good afternoon, my brother.
How you day? How the week be happen and how thing the day?
The week now just misfortune be full. People that had the 4-4, people that they die for Northwest and Southwest. And yesterday 1 year against Limba catch fire. The same fire where they don't burn for Northwest and Southwest. Why the fire they catch you one no? Why they put the burn more? See what Tori they ever come out, they come out this side different, they come out the other side different. Why either for all side, we still here wait for year. As the Oga Minister talk say they will talk to thing will happen for the fire them. So we still wait. Yeah.
All corner fire. But before we enter for Torisa for this afternoon, we get the normal corner side that we'll get for talk. For that side, so for a womb subdivision, now for under Menchum division, so where this one happen. For a village where they keep people that way, if they so they be suffer for Sika Palava for Legnos. Inside a week, we just finished. It means number 30 day, breaking number 31 day for this moon. We hear say people them enter for that village. Key ship them, even knock some of the population, burn house them. According to Bookway Governor for Northwest Iratam, Adolphe Lele Lafrique, he talks say they so investigate. He go start some more time for Sabi people the way they do that kind of thing. Now so he talks say he go make ad hoc committee, he go make commission for people the way they so they get for look inside this palava. But Sabi say even inside that Bookway Governor talk he say he no Sabi the people them where they do that kind of thing. But one time the same book he concludes say na people them way they want and say make country divide now them do that kind of thing. So Oga Tamfu, when you will read through that book where Governor sign he don't talk fine talk for giving the information palava to happen for that side for men for womb. But a conclusion quick if a talk say he no sabi the people them inside the same book he don't edit sabi the people them.
It not be strange when I see Oga Governor do that kind of thing because we live for country where the government we don't see for plenty cases them where the country don't do almost the same kind of thing. First of all, they talk say problem no be there. After they agree say problem there. They talk again say so Kituk no the burn house. After they agree again say Kituk be the burn some house. So this one he don't talk say they go look into the matter for know who them enter commit that act, and then he still conclude for them say na Amber they do am. Now my question why they ask myself when I hear this thing, I say, Oga Governor, government don't send military for Northwest and Southwest, and whom no be left out. Say me they go ensure life, that mean they protect life and property. If some people then come, so they got enter, shoot goat, destroy properties, destroy lives. Then who side the military they be there, so they put the infiltrate, so they get all the time for carry out order act them, so they enter Sisongo, no man no see them. Or even I say they go tell we say military no be outside all time. Who side the big room they way that kind of thing go happen. Because if na say for that place, people they go they be suffer language crisis. They be there for a particular place, at least that particular place so they begin to pay much attention to that place because it's a strategic place. So I think say some problem there, because if military with the send for day, they not be able to ensure life and properties. I think say I don't see the reason why they supposed for day. Because if they day, yet people that they die all day, they go come today, they can't tell say no, the one they toss in a military, the other one they toss no na Amber. Military begin to make sure say me no life be wasted there, me no civilian die. But if civilians they die, I think say maybe government get for change strategy. Look into the thing.
All right, Frundi, this palaver for inside Womb subdivision for village where people they suffer for late news palaver happen. We dey talk this book where governor don't sign am. Inside the book where governor sign am, if I take the Queen Elisa I talk we use am, he say unidentified. It means say people there they never so sabi their origin. But the same book it talks in that people the way they want divide country. He put as a secessionist activist, unidentified, but already either the conclusion. When we see the palaver first and the burning way happen for that side again.
Mr. Ambassador, I don't think say some man they would work for this regime, for this government, will ever talk true or support civilians or your own people. I think when you be governor of the people. You do govern the people. But when you work for one party system, now for them it be a wonderful, because governor go write book. It talk about unidentified men. Say investigation will go on, and then inside that book it conclude. Inside that same book it conclude. Say now secessionism. Now Southern Cameroon and born places. Now Southern Cameroon go key ship go them. Now Southern Cameroon go burn houses. Why they never ever talk true for once? Because they fear international bodies. Because if they talk in the army they don't burn, they will start quarry them, take them for United Nations and so on and so forth. Now then they do this thing. Now what they see, they never ever come out clear. Look like they go for news. They don't burn more than 50 houses. I hear they talk 40. Now about 50 houses where they burn on that side. How many people they burn inside houses? Kill, even goat, cow, pigs, fowl, they shoot them. So now I tell me say na Ambazona they go they shoot, pick them, go them, burn houses. I'm not thinking say I think can burn my own house while they stay inside. Be very impossible. And the high-ranking people they ever talk come. Now they know the one make this problem finish because of the chop inside this problem. Governor the chop inside. Minister Tanganji the chop inside. Then the chop, so this problem we get colonels whether the chop inside this business. So enough it finish. Now whether you see all this atrocity, all this why here minister, prime minister go say the beg, president then send he may go beg for peace, for dialogue, may they forgive it and so on. That one they just throw water for talk for our back ambassador.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, Tori for corner side, we no go talk plenty on top the one, but the one we just enter we here for Kumba, it tell we say at least 18 people them just now, they no get place for sleep after fire a burn house for that side, so for Kumba. Plenty of the detail, we na go get them, while we meet up for here for different time. Just now, the Tori we there for inside we back, we go take una go for that side, so for Sonara, yesterday around 9:20 for night, he be there na some kind of watching for inside Sonara, sabi say na now one of the big oil company that now for them with plenty money for country it dey comot. Now for them with all oil it dey comot enter for Douala. Yesterday fire wey cash for that side. He put all people them for one side, people them for inside Limbe. They confused when they see this fire, so we start for burn. Tori we enter we EM. He talk for we say this fire we burn for inside Sonara for night. Country people them na fire we be the burn for inside one of the places where they make this oil production unit for inside Sonara. And so now they never fit for talk to till we happen. According to Congo we enter we here. According to which people there they work for inside they talk. They according to them they try for talk saying there's some problem for light where they be don't see and since and they be don't talk for company where the local light say they try for fix it in, but since they don't they keep na deaf ear on top the palaver. Now so to this fire catch that one na Joe Congo we no be na official tori and sabi say for sika this palaver for fire way e cash we burn for that side. So for Sonara for night country people them plenty people them even big man the manager for Sonara he signed big book for talk say just he dey so for sika the plenty losses wey Sonara he get am for sika this fire say no nothing e no go fit for continue for happen inside Sonara. Say all thing e go stop. The big question just now for who side that oil go dey come out again. It means say Cameroon e go suffer small for palava for fuel or na how na question we never fit for answer am. Now before we enter for different side make we take this other chapter. Sabi say for sika that's a fire wey burn for place where they call am say Sonara yesterday. Plenty people they be force for come up for outside for night. Plenty people they be force for come up for outside for night. All people there they be the sleep already. They be the commander. So all motor them where they be the go for direction for that side. So where they call them say Sonara. All motor they be turn back. You will not see even tanker them where they be prepared for go take oil for camp for this side. Them say way it no be there for them. All them they be force for come out for outside. So for Sika say all them they fear say me fire no catch them. Mami they say the commander for with Kaba. Someone they no even wear pants for inside a country where they talk with empty foot. They the run come out. For Sika say the way where the team be the halam. Now so to be the Chakara people them house and all people them for that side before. So now tanker them that way they the run come out for Sika this palava for fire way burn for place where they call them say Sonaram. It be then for night where this palava happen and this one it happen. We country say be the hear bad people them for Limbe even as we the palava never over worry them but country son did worry them and na so to the hear bad now through from this palava for fire for Sonara. When you see them waiting there for your mind first.
I don't talk say waiting ambassador. God's the eye in the watch Cameroon. Because the cry of the people, God in the ear. When people they don't cry, God to begin, they don't cry. They kneel down, they cry, they pray, God in the ear. I'm not going to accuse say some person don't born, Sonara, don't go put fire for day. Now God he cry. Because if I see what they happen for this other side of the country, the eyes they for Sonara. God eye and a mouth and a word. It talks like these people that they suffer. I will not eye the day. If you imagine say for Limbe, foil it yeah pass Douala Bavusa, but wait they come out for Limbe. With some of our game motor we know because we take foil. So it will not really get foil for Limbe where they come out from Giant camp pass for Limbe underground and therefore inside the whole southwest foil yeah. We don't get SDP. I want to ask one thing, ambassador. What will be the abbreviation for Sonara for English? We don't get them. If you know, you tell me we cannot go to school. Sonara. It's for English, say what? French people they come now for land, now for but they put them a French name, but you know they for English. Sonara. If you see me abbreviate that name, that word Sonara for English, I don't know. If you know, we go to school pass.
National Oil Refinery.
For who's that?
They think that the French acronym.
They think that the French or the English. So God he cry in the year. This cry for the people. For night, when we finish program, we'll come over to the 1 year now phone calls. Once see messages that come, one look at Sonara. We say God, what we don't do. This thing I think if we get independent, we no go suffer plenty. Now they don't go put fire for the. We are going to put this fire, we ask a question mark. And the next now say, when minister they go come out, they go talk say, Amber, they don't go put fire. Now God he cry.
Now, thankful this fire for Sonaram Asabi say surprise Oman, and na the last place that people they be check say fire if you enter.
Yes, because first of all, thank God say nothing bad happen. Nothing bad say we never get loss of lives for day. Do the loss of
now we never
for now we never hear anything. It means not there because until for there at least we don't hear say the casualties concern human too. But up to now, since we never hear say human lives be lost, we thank God for that. At least material things they feel replace them, but not be human life. Now the fire away catch Sonara. Me in particular, I know to be happy for, because no matter the situation, no matter how things go day, no matter how things end day, we need the Sonara. No, if we would the burn thing where we need them, means that we waste money, because tomorrow we'll still build the same thing.
No, wait, talk say we burn things that we need them. That means that we don't burn them.
I thought say if
okay.
If Nigeria will talk say no man over burn them. So in a natural disaster where it will cost we much. And thing I go ask you don't food you don't talk something for here, don't talk about the price for fuel for that site for Indiana and for Southwest will be more expensive than for here, will be very true. And when you look to the roads, the way they for Southwest, we talk say practically road no there, but when for the way
for go Limbe.
For go Limbe,
refinery they go roads.
Boya na one way, no road no there, and the road the first Simo. When the thing where they use and Volta road they share. That means
the chaps,
they dirty for crude oil, and then we get the refinery for there, but they road not there, and they road not even the country. And therefore they so that they pay put the opening side for they pay some particular tax for government per liter of I think maybe 100 something.
Yeah.
Well, for those maintenance, where they consider that when motor is transport the fuel, they drop there for fuel, where they drop for down the spore ta. So they could use them for the cover that hold and they maintain road from time to time. But yet we road them we don't get nothing for right home about we road them. Yet now another problem that come from my mind is the data was another born. We dey live for 21st century. And when we see crisis that they happen for other places, then we go see officials them could leave their comfort zone, go for there at least to find out say all population for that side they find all man they find what it be the how the situation for there. But I be the way same I see that kind of gesture, but I don't see no official for there, neither the governor, the mayor for that.
No, you never see governor in the state for Boya.
I know what talking the state for Boya better.
Governor of the state of Douala, you never expect to see for that side.
So now this thing that they come
came out in the state of Douala, so you never expect to see that kind of people for there.
No, but mayor Boya, Limbe.
How many kilometers?
Limbe gets in mayor them.
Yes, it get mayor, but
Limbe gets in.
Yeah, but what about pronounce that for the whole Southwest?
So now they pronounce for the whole Southwest. Put the way they show that they work fine. At least now time they show they work fine, and then they stand for the people. You understand? Because under jurisdiction, time where Yaounde go call, they go and say, man, what did it happen for? They need to forget report. Now you don't go on ground for find out if all your population they be secured. If na some point in the way the team can so be affect their houses what they get for displace them for the meantime.
But when we see the image for now, we see someone the way they as we be the bubble for under houses.
So that a natural disaster where they begin for pay attention for, but we never see such gestures. So that my worry that so where they talk say at least government officials them like they not only be overzealous.
Like this morning time, at least.
Yes, even the morning time because
one minister for don't take
call a press conference and then they do other things. Because some time they say no, if it been overnight and because of the fire and they're not going to go near. I thought what about the people they stand from far, film and with phone. Because they will cancel, will take cameras instant say no, like the thing that they have for bank they are not going to go near because of so and so reason. But at least I can't forget insurance and me put the take security measures. We will not say no, at least they work. They not only be overzealous when it concerns some particular things them, like in making the declarations that will lead to taking of human lives. So I think that will give a talk on
now this fireway cash was on already come for some time to a cabinet meeting where the job pass in never overstay in past for last month. Prime Minister inside the cabinet meeting after he work for Northwest Southwest, he bring up issue for seaport for Limbe and he talk palava to say make minister for palava for roads. He try for check which way go cost governor for say the open company where feed the make quota. Where they no go to spend plenty money for quota. With Jody talk, the dirty for Oya for Sonara, it dey make quota. And when me say normal, if you make that company say for Limbe bed, it no be possible.
Yes, it no be possible now. First of all, you see, We not get for wait.
Why you talk say no be possible? It be possible. I said it be too hardened for it. Anything will concern the Anglophone section. Because they dirty these chaps when they come out for petrol, when they call them quota. That's in a way for just for Limbe. I'm not thinking they'll talk say Limbe be saturated. Because I just one company there for Limbe they call Sonara. If they open this company, they fix this quota. When are the chaps when they come out for petrol? They'll take a fixed road than Cameroon, where it will be less cost than this one they go buy things for Europe, pay tax, pay transport. For Kanye, it can double prices, triple prices. For Limbe, they open that company. We're talking about impossibilities. Everything be possible with this country.
Everything be possible. If you fail with me, I learn Mr. Funti. But thank you for your point. See what we want to understand. It be impossible for now because we not go wait time with the some situation not arise before begin they do things. Because things that they were if they don't do them earlier, if we don't avoid so many things that we don't lose them. But you go wait till time where fire don't start catch under your bed before you go know that bed there so we can clear the tea and petrol will be there under. Look, the crisis we live in now so. People that they complain say since we're on the day no English general manager no one dey for day.
Even they can make
okay, now when they talk now the one way casting go the hala for some issue, and that time we put they go react. But when I think that they for don't think since do am. No be now way don't say since where this on a ride for Limbe. Now today where they thing for construct road. Una because English for the don't pick up arms. You yet to it be impossible because talking not be doing. How many projects they don't talk and they don't do them? Eh? So we now saw places we stand and say museum for believe because they even talk about deep sea port.
Deep sea port since now.
See, Limbe get natural deep sea port. Why they prefer lock sea port for Limbe? You know say they be don't say Makiza they are gone they be pass through this Limbe seaport. They make us magumago they lock up. See today. Now so they think about Limbe seaport. What they after they don't go do the one for Kribi artificial one. They spend money for them for Zika.
Now why that one of one they present today because of that seaport. When they want to start for construct Limbe seaport, they come with the system of embezzlement. Second for new bell. So because of that Limbe seaport.
So now that kind of thing that we thought say make government at least begin looking them from far. But they know only when a time when something happen before they react. If you get country for heart, you be patriotic and you consider all man like your brother and part of you. I think you do things that will be right so that all man go shouldn't play where they knows that they my house.
Now, last thing we will talk on top this sonara when you hear talk with manager say the right time, he don't talk say work, he go stop. For sake say the team we born for they don't really disturb the other workplace and for inside. That thing he go make some other people that will suffer, people that they use
people that will suffer really. Cameroons in general will suffer because it will take not less than 1 year for do that repairs, and it will take billions for build which we don't destroy because all those pipe, like if you see like people don't do drilling, they don't do drilling for petrol. You see as it come out from down the pipe they come inside that the warehouse. You get a lot of pipes that don't be destroyed when they build a tower for the platform. When that particular place they build a platform, other pipes them for the it be too connected and it pass now from there some pipe there for petrol. You see that type of flame to come out. Yeah. Now the petrol that will be explode for will be born. So it will take a lot of time. Cameroons will suffer for some time. I will not be very careful. Sometimes they will shock petroleum for inside motor them, even for petrol stations. So we'll be very careful. If about not saying having our French people them that the control sonara they will do everything possible for come in. We can't see what they will do.
So I want to say we will suffer, not for short time. They suffer for long. Because for this country, so it's on another born. Sometimes you go here say they go want repair maybe price for add more for repair the hazard we don't get them for sonara day. But we remember because when I look at remember time when some be born for Yaoundé. Get casualty they talk say no it is so as they don't die for the thing they get for give the family their small thing and all that. So they be add some franc them for on top petrol money per liter. So that franc there since where they be don't repair some they give family then see what they begin for gear. They never ever tell we so they so the price for petrol get for reduce back 14 will be before because they already finish repair then some and then give them the money. So to what they don't say waiting. If it happen today so nothing not the Cameroon we don't ever add the price and then go back for down. as the add Maggie na so be start as small they go up. Matches at small go up today go reach for play with day today. So as suffer start, you know the end. The suffer go till we will know when we don't know.
All right, we go left this palaver for fire for inside Limbe. We go surely turn back for the after. Tori for inside here, we go surely talk plenty on top this fire. But Sabi say the fire the hot for plenty people their mind. Faremo could go for this waka for Cameroon Renaissance movement. Sabi say since this early morning time, they be don't talk and they do no matter as we people them to the day outside plenty for follow them. Now yeah, when they that Central City, SF Central Town, where they so people them for Cameroon Renaissance movement, they go continue with their peaceful work as well they be don't promise for inside Yaoundé. Even for around Central Post Office, they be them plenty where they come out for this early morning time for sake of this palaver for march for Cameroon Renaissance movement. Sabi say the people them they get cry the way they cry, they talk say made they left their president Professor Maurice Kamto and the other people them where they don't catch and put up from Gata. Another cry where they talk now say waiting say may they try for see as way they so they go left all the other people there they don't catch and put them from Gata where they don't do nothing. On top the same palaver chapter for Mandamba he never come up for their mind where he did so Cameroon he lost for happen Mandamba this year instead for the casting for people that they concern the same governor he instead give them promote inside the country. Now so to Cameroon Renaissance movement the vex say he did so sote now for palaver for vote they want to say may they change all thing where he consign a book or order for vote for we country so that people then they feel vote normal so now some of the things and that where make people then for Cameroon Renaissance movement party for come out for outside this Saturday according to Toru talk for now at least 200 people the day where they don't already cash them for that side so where they call them say Yaoundé inside the 200 people there they cash them now talk with this so one of their secretary Barrister Don Christopher talk for we never overstay say they get Vice President Mamadou Mokhtar wait for inside press conference if you don't talk say di waka it must to happen and whether they cash it or they no cash it he says go be there and now so too they don't cash it yes they don't cash it today plus other people them for inside Douala here for Mongo we hear say they don't cash at least them 20 inside them regional secretary general for inside Mongo division where they catch inside the 20 for Douala here now around 3 the first time we hear them so we no sabi how many they don't cash and but sabi say the waka now waka way people them for Cameroon Renaissance movement they don't talk say go up and down they must do them no matter how we they catch them. Frundi na party way just come sabi say Gra Tango be don't promise them say if they see even small money food for road say they go give them serious casting go but the party all time it don't also enter for road this afternoon or today for Saturday they also continue for do their waka.
I appreciate the one that they get courage for come out because Grand Tango na person way you know it first be radical na radical minister when he talks until he did one. I even see like man like Professor Maurice come to the prison now because of he. Now he knock hand for table. They will come over as I send they take bring for Yaoundé. So I want to talk say I want to appreciate this guy of the march. They get the courage because some people they don't get courage to go despite the fact that they inside that party. From Marché Central today, they catch some 3 guys and 2 way. They will still prepare for march for that place. Put an inside pick up for police carry and go. I mean for Marché Central for Douala. So the march for their right. That's why I talk say Cameroon we know there for democracy. We know there for democracy. Why? We do peaceful demonstration marching. They catch people. They throw money water on their skin. They scratch. They take when I go lock them. That one not democracy. I think say we don't see them for other countries. Policeman the guide when I'm on not destroy. I'm on not block road. When I work up corner road march go risk even of a Bonaberry. But when I not destroy. But for Cameroon, na control. Na control. And now wait till if they make the image of the Cameroon they ever go back, we get bad image for the whole world. We don't say them Cameroon as the match of France for Paris. We say the match of Italy. We say the match of Germany, the match of South Africa, the match of America. Police and they only guide them. Why we also get democracy, but we never match peacefully for the country or the protest or something.
No, I'll come for you, Tanfo. When you see the way they reason them, we Cameroon Renaissance movement they march today, they get grounds. They get plenty grounds.
They get grounds because wait till they talk say legislative election and municipal election. May they go for constitution. They talk things away they follow them normally. May they follow the rules and regulations and the norms. When they don't follow all, they go in for good and clean election. May they let the people them I hear Macron talk the other day, see probably I left Professor Maurice Kamto. Very normal. Why they talk now? That's the catchy. When they talk and sings. Because I said things that international body they start put pressure before France come out. Macron he talks to me, Mr. Pobia, he left Maurice Kamto and Eco. I think it's not the blanket for one ever sings.
Now when they don't catch the other one, they begin.
And they don't catch again another one, they go out and again inside. So he says with Cameroon, where you talk good thing, where you no favor them. The only way to take you go down. So Nigeria want to arrange this country.
Thankful, Cameroon Renaissance Movement, they no fear talk with Grat and go talk for them. After the defense talk say they no go match, but they don't come out again today. You sure say some other thing the way they cover the people that was on side?
Two more go down and say when you see this match today, from what they see, no be only CR and party for Professor Maurice Kamto match. Yeah. Because when I look for that, I know they see any person wear any attire or political gadget will belong to the party for Professor Maurice Kamto. So because when I go through social media, I realize this match is a Republican match. For any person who feel patriotic, feel say Cameroon, you get problems. You get for we need change.
Then them be there for front.
Okay, if they're there for maybe for every situation, they get for take person get for take a lead.
As so you put it also Republican worker, we mean say any man we
feel
and even civil society activist any man we get.
The man be there. Mwamason they become Mwamason no be CRM party. The bonon they for they become no be CRM party. So I want you come for day. For political party, for common manifest, law does say if they want do their match, they go declare for government say so and so they will go come out for so and so place. They know they go apply say make government agree or deny. They tell government so that on that day make government send Kitu for all side. Me the work for their corner for the see and say me some man no broke something, me some man no go come out take advantage and then do funny things. I be think say they no be no. When they put the one command, the commander of Mami Water spray people then they, but they will realize and say all this were official. They know what they do. Now they will be see some match for Limbe, for me for Kumba. That put they command the match against Amba. That my match that put they become out. They begin armor car where they accompany them. They get military put they be there for corner them. They guide their match. If the fit of Kumba, why not the no the fit of Douala?
Say the one piece.
The one piece. Or the one tell we say the one will be for Kumba, no being a civilians, maybe a government. Because if we win a civilian,
I talk so again a one party system.
Why it be say
do it match no problem no. If opposition no.
It even so I think say we the talk say Cameroon be country of law. Me the government they show good example for respect the law. Because no we get good laws, good policies, but the follow up and the respect for the law and the policies now here they bring query. So for the Mamaj part what happened today, people the way they get hard come out, we appreciate them. But I go talks for some parts say that they do the right thing at the wrong time. Because time these things of get power. Time where people they for Bamenda and for Southwest, they be come out for match. If they for the commander Mamaj pass so all man feel the same pain. Join them, come out if for create impact pass this way that they do now. But they leave them because that time with the estimate they will still say, me they leave that Anglophone put and they so they go make and so she don't quite they say only they get problem for this country. No, but only they get problem for this country. Today who said their own problem they come out. Till they happen for your neighbor, they talk say this was the only born my neighbor leave him. When you forget say when they go born that neighbor he has finish go surely cross for your own house. So may they go ahead. All man wanna change. All would therefore we return a Palava nation building. Nobody say we they want talk say some point, but at least me government me they stand up.
Funny, but add something. Before you add that one, you just make a statement. Palava Republican worker now. Why they get for block person like Jean-Michel Ninche, SDF man, something around past 11 when they last come up for a compound, and he began for go for Bafang today for go bury so he cousin will die. The fear say he too get hand for inside the worker. I must start with you, Fundi. This is Honorable Jean-Michel Ninche, head boy for SDF for inside the worker.
Yeah. Now my people them, when I'm the commandant, they will be my provincial chairperson for Littoral. So me like the national chairman. So which my brother done for just talk for that side now because we talk about reform the system. And why these people they wait till now? I think there are two different things. This is a political party, but the Anglophone crisis, not a political party. Right? So now 2 different things. I think say if we be talking and say if French people them, they will fit.
No separate.
No, I mean no. That 2. I've never talk say that 2 countries where they come to be one. They get independent in 1960. We get one independent in 1961.
We don't pass 20 MA.
No, we don't pass. But now 2 countries that become one. If you see I put blue and white, you must know why. So make the try for see the constitution of this country. They get to counsel that constitution. Take up at fetch. We vote governors, we vote ministers, we vote them. And if we vote all these people by law, if we get a good constitution, like what my brother just talked, I think say we'll get anything we want to, like a peaceful demonstration. I think say police or gendarme, the only day for guide me. The only smooth I want for Adam.
Okay.
For talk with my brother to talk.
All right. So we go finish with that waka. Sabi say the waka it goes also continue for happen. For now, we don't talk for now. Say the Vice President Mamadou Mokhtar, they don't pick it for that side for Yawinde with some other key people. Them we yes around 200 people that already enter from Ngata for Yawinde sites. As we they go, we go surely the give una update on top this palava for Cameroon Renaissance movement. Today we go take una now, so we'll talk this more way happen for inside Douala. Fareme could talk this thief boy them where this early morning time they turn for inside Douala where they so shoot gun. They worry people them. Sabi say people then say for Jamie. Now then say they can't help, they can't beg. Say me they don't knock them. After they don't finish shoot at people them. As I say they take a gun shoot them for up the attack people them for this side. So people them for Jamie say they can't wait population be already vex. If you even finish kill the boy them. Now for they way one time the population say it come and Jamie people them police they can't beg. Say me they no do them. This one it just happen. Now for we corner here, you know over far away this one it pass. Now so to they throw it gas for drive population for outside. One time they can pick the people there. The man with the already finish naki, they go with them. Now it happen for Douala this afternoon. Sabi say one side na Cameroon Renaissance movement they give people in trouble. The other side na people then so the worry people then for town where Jamie they can pick and with the population if you don't already knock them so they if you want kill them. Account for palava for insecurity for Douala. Where will they go?
You know, say one closed door of our own. You saw no matter how you saw me only the theater. It depends not here the other part could here. We there for country. It be true. Say country not be perfect. Where all man they behave fine. Suppose they go only behave where what? Where they go thief, they go cause disorder. But now it be na the rule for the government for limiting them by creating employment. When you look for the level for employment for Cameroon, you go see and say, none of know they work for right home about. The other time, na say me the minimum wage, na 36,000. When you give that person that kind of money, 36,000 for live for the dollar you pay house, if you pay the lowest room 15,000, pay transport for go for work for 1 month na 15,000. Na 30,000 that's so remember with 6,000. Na the one that we go chop we go put na crazy inside your phone. So we make government not push them for war. When we go to they go say out with the accused government, we go accuse government because some of these people that they do all this carry act can act them. So a hungry man na an angry man. One hungry do person if he misbehave.
If he bite you.
If he bite you. So when they do all the kind of things because they don't hungry, tired, they are a bit frustrated, none of them know the way they feel, do, they look left, look right, and they say the only thing we did for pick gun. So and then when they talk the palava, they did their own palava. You go see I say they want to as a motive man. They put they want $1 billion on them. Sleep with them inside their room. People that for inside country they suffer. They see they outside the worker. So since that the country needs plenty for we do in terms of stealing.
Fundi, this palava to a pass. This morning time, yeah. Say tutorials for all corner.
Our eyes are the all side. What do I want to talk about? If we employ 10,000 Cameroons, they will still thief. Thief goes today. Thief never ever finish. Because Monday we don't born without blood for thief.
But if you control
control, yeah, now even when we talk about unemployment, well, even when not employ, they say work, thief goes still be. But now same way we limit the way we like when I hear Minister Komodo I talk say Cameroon and feel live with 36,000 francs. I ask her whether he own Pekin say we born him. if they end that kind of money.
You the top people wey born and breakfast for a house. If you
So now the thing I want to talk say now they didn't push people. Even now reduce. Imagine say ambassador they work from 6 o'clock till 5 o'clock for evening every day, and they not be able to feed yourself. You'll be corrupted. They must corrupt you. And now the thing that the world Cameroonians we'll talk about corruption. Now this kind of things them. We'll talk about thieves. Imagine say a whole doctor, you go school, primary school, secondary school, high school, university, you go school accused, you come out like a doctor after 7 years. They can't pay you 200,000 francs. My God.
We thought 200,000 get put the masters, they pay the 75,000.
Teachers, when are they teach these ministers them? When they knock head with stone every day, they pay teachers in 75,000, 80,000. Headmistress, headmaster, 100,000, 120,000. If you stay for now and you guys will carry things in. So now then they push people for the, you see these thieves where the things where they happen where outside they talk about corruption, thieves, not them, the cause them. So one for beg the government. May they try for see how I still talk about constitution for this country. Joseph Owona, now we should write constitution for this country in 1994. D1. Yeah, they take them, they name it every day. May they see how we feel restructure this country. Even the while restructure, we're not ready for we go in Agoso. We're not ready for Kako. So
yeah, and just sorry for art for this side, since you talk palava for teacher them. We hear say teacher them for Bakassi, teacher them they teach for that side of Bakassi primary school, them too they talk, say their risk allowance, it means say money where they pay them for the way government they pay them for sika they college they get them for teach for that side. Since December, that money never come out. The plan say if the money no come out, first school living certificate no go pass for that side for Bakassi, for sika say the money don't overstay. They say since for December where they get for pay them this is their risk money, the money never show it and they promise and they don't talk. If first school living certificate time for right time reach, money never enter them. Them they no go show their hate at all. They don't fair do common entrance. They say first school, it no go pass at all for them. So that one that story for one side. Now so we go talk palava for exam. Sabi say for inside Douala here, just like any other place. GCE is start this Monday, but the one we catch with eye plenty. Now for this picking them, they did them 15 for one school where they call them say Victory Bilingual secondary school. Now for that side for Kuwait City. Now for Bois de Sange. They tell we say the 15 picking them. They been the unlucky one them where they need defeat for Shidon for right exam. For Sika Palava say they pay money for their principal, but so now they know Sabi as well principal do with the money. They be did them 29 inside the 29, 14 the right, then 15 you know the fee for write the exam. Mommy them they be come out with their picking the way they no understand why they go money pay money. Then they know the fit for write exam. Sabi self say anytime when they call principal say make it talk. Principal they only talk say it dey for Boya, it dey for GC board they arrange say me picking the right exam the pass the go. Now so to sometimes they go call a number no go pass. We go for the school self, we meet up person we get school, we ask say wait he get for talk on top the palava. He say no fit talk no nothing. So just now they suffer that way. Some picking themselves for inside Douala here they suffer for Sika palava for money. Sabi say normal GC says they don't talk, say all their money them they get for pay them na through telephone. How the principal money hold the money for hand and why he no pay them na question that way to the house. He never fit for answer so now, but we sabi say now for telephone where they be get for pay that money from the private school. We hear say this school says normal, you know be get for open the door. Them this academic year be day one of the school they be talk say me they no start. Austin the show say they so the school he get some small problem. Minister for college book, Ma Pauline Alovalionga, as I be say he don't follow the tourist since or start for talker.
Ambassador, if you talk say this school, it been a school that we have closed doors. Which make the school be operational so they can't really start, they don't chop money, they never chop money. Because Cameroon be corrupted. When they be close this door, they put them for they say silly. They go lock, close the door. What they do is they put more for envelope, goes to the people that be concerned. As they take another, they can't open and the school start operate. We never follow in norms them. That is the rules and regulation. Because when open primary school, secondary school, you must get rules and regulation to follow. I quite remember when they lock schools and about 100 something schools. It won't be the next academic year, all that schools are open back. Where the live go pay. We'll follow up. They never pay. So I want to talk say Cameroon will get that virus inside our skin. That virus the inside our skin. Well, if we born with Pekin, that Pekin won't come out. They no more. They will be corrupted. So that's until we need serious prayers, fasting and prayers for this country. But this country be delivered.
Okay. Thankful.
Yes, so we turn as a Fundi earlier talk. Say like government they push people for the thief. If they say government say salary minimum wage 36,000, and if they talk again say you get right for negotiate your salary with your employer, and when employer man get school be outside for make maximum profit. He go message me match you fine for the level of salary. That means me suck you dry. Because government not 36,000 and you get for negotiate with you. See when you find work, you need work, you get the work, and work not the outside. I will give you for this more money. You want them or not? You know, and the second man pick them. Now, principal to go take the work, but when you go take the work now, salary now not been another way. If you feed family, you go see him. Any kind of money will enter in hand, that picking the money will enter. So, principal to go say, okay, my job for so my pull and tomorrow when I get money from Janga, go back and back. If we want to know this kind of situation there, it happen. Thing where I go down, I say government don't go on holidays. Cameroon government don't go on holidays until we concern workers. Me they come back, can see into the situation of workers. Workers for this country not be protected. The employers they defeat on employees like gold, and government no they do nothing. I think that no come when government give for look into that matter because the government instead they kill the workers, the employees, it kill them because when you come out again you say you negotiate salary with the employer. Employer goes after all. If employer they will pay you money for 1 month, money where they give you picking for pocket allowance for go school. They give for 1 month, you will get picking them. You picking them, they go one school, 1 month country, you they work the money, you are picking them not be able to go school for government school for you. It be unfair. Make government look into this matter because when you solve one problem in time, they go help for solve plenty problem them in the future. You don't understand. So make government stand up, look into the thing there better, and make that teacher. One and principal, that's way to be very bad because you don't
the school don't spoil.
The school don't spoil. Only the school don't, the name of school don't spoil, and then begin their destinies, their future at stake. Would be very wicked of him.
Yeah, we get one of the picking the way be the write the exam for the first time. He say he never ever sabi how a timetable for GCSEF say he answer for the first time. Where the right exam for the first time.
That's where they work carry money give with teacher hand. They better be they give money with teacher hand. So now that kind of correction thing. If we say so they picking the two as they picking the now what they say there as day. Well, now they go say teacher don't say no. When I bring them small, I get connection. Where I go pass go for inside GCE board as they say that they call it. They talk say the GCE board.
If between people there they come late, we need the blame.
No, true.
If you between them,
so many possibilities there.
Okay. We know sabi how the team pass, but not just the Tory will get out the talk for now. How the GCE it happen for Kumba and for Limbeme will just quick turn for Kumba first. For turn and say they will GCE be the start when a Monday be then at the normal country Sunday for inside that side so for Kumba. So plenty road they be quiet. For Sikada one, plenty of the picking they be sleep then for school for wait exam. First place Holland now for government Balingua High School station. Now one of the center then that will be the lookout GCE O level picking them. Now so to Oga Tundong Shambalen when Oga Ezio he be taking time for waka with security people them for go see as we exam it happen for that side so for inside government bilingual high school station sabi as we talk they be the right GCE and they be the right to even back the same day so it look as when the thing happen. The only problem for inside this school for number 1 day time we Oga Tundong Shambalen be enter for day na palava this as two speaking we be get for right exam but fever be catchy one time Ntundong Shambalem SDO he talk say me they carry the picking go for hospital first before they bring it back make it can continue for writing exam after he come up for government Balingua High School station Ntundong Shambalem he be enter one time now for Cameroon College of Arts and Science where they call them say Kas Kumba for that side we hear say Kas Kumba the host at least 15 different center them for inside the school and after that one now Technical High School Lycée Technique for Kumbatui Ntundong Shambalem land for day na picking the way they come out for for that side for Mundemba and Bangem the Dishidon for write this exam. So Mintundon Shambalen don't talk, say security go be for up, for say make picking the right exam fine with no person, in no worry them, so till the exam is finished. We go take una go for Limbe just now, for see as well the exam to the worker for inside Limbe, for Limbe side, for the first time, or maybe now the number 2 time or 3 time this, since when the Palava starts. Now only 4 different centers that the host exam them, when a thing that will never ever happen. Now government bilingual high school Limbe and government high school Limbe, now the 2 places in that, we're picking the right exam, as we talk. And for private side, we get Seka Baptist, and even this other school, they call them St. Anne, we're picking the right exam. Sabi say even for Bamenda, now 2 out of 7 division them, where the whole center, they write this exam for Sika Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Fundi, when you look this thing, you hear them as well happen. Small talk we get for talk before we come out for outside.
I think when you see all this kind of thing, Ambassador, you know they reflect the image of Cameroon. You know they reflect no small, because we foresee how we begin to suffer for right exam. If this one they go right for that own side, they don't learn for how long, Ambassador. They don't learn which thing. Because every day na popcorn, this pikin only they read, they get beating heart. Pikin only they read, whether they shoot popcorn, pop, they read with fear for house, will go write house exam. Not just the formality the one just make up. Because fear, every day they run inside butches, go hide, come back for town. Ambassador, more pity this country.
All right.
One thing, Mr. Pobi Agefa resign. When he resign, things of this country will define.
All right.
And when he resign, Mr. Tanganji then follow.
Thankful, we don't almost finish. Small talk on top this palaver they will come out.
The thing I got on, I say, me government officials, me they stop for the pretense, me they stop for the give the impression say things that they find way, you know they fine. Because when you look for like for Northwest with 7 divisions, only 2 that they take part. Where the other one them?
I mean say now 2 that they host the center.
2 that they host the center. Yeah. 2 that they host the center. What about the people where they inside bush? What about the one where they don't die? What about the one that don't lost their parents? They don't get the means for continue the school again. The university where they celebrate the way they call a national day. What a national day will be the talk about union. They celebrate them while picking the right exam for down here in a free atmosphere. The other one for that side, see the kind mask where they see that army man put them. In the me a student where the right exam under that condition. And if he pass that GCE. Except so the home mark with consideration say na paper than this for war zone.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, country we no fit for enter for all palaver we get, but we don't touch some of the key one the way be fit for touch this afternoon. Sabi say we go turn back with this story then. We'll meet up for Monday. Thankful. Thank you plenty for your time.
Okay, thank you for saying as you come in for him with Chakara Tourism.
Okay, as Sabi say we will be all another time.
Yes, very well.
Frundi, you'll be pressing for house. Thank you plenty too for your time.
Thank you technicians them, and I want to remind all the Sangwa people that we'll get general meeting tomorrow for Bonaberry. So we all man come in time 3 o'clock.
All right, so we talk Asia for Nadine Wafo, one my own Iron Lady for here. We lost in Emmanuel again for Berry and this weekend. We talk for Asia. Thank you plenty. Fare Bunya, thank you Francois Dikume, Malis, and all people there they make and say me Tori Waka fine. We go meet up now for Monday for 8 o'clock if Papa God left. On a whole I'm tight for outside.